Relationships Australia Victoria is committed to gender equality.
Gender equality is important not just in sport but in every facet of our lives. I think this is the generation who are going to see it happen.
For me, gender equality means giving everyone a fair go and giving everyone the same opportunities to succeed. We're really lucky at the club to have such amazing female leaders which really inspire the community surrounding even me as a coach.
At Tennis Australia go a long way to ensuring equality and accessibility to every person.
For me, it's about being able to show that you've got different layers in the organisation that have levels of access, whether it be in our committees, whether it be in our teams, or it's not just the male coaches that are getting all the resources, it's seen to be across the board.
I like to put myself forward as that person in the club that if a girl has an issue, that they can come to me freely. I don't think all clubs have that, and I think that's something that's very important and has to be addressed by all tennis clubs and all clubs in general. There must be that female presence that is there to support, let's face it, the other half of the world.
I think it's a cultural thing. I think it's a historical thing. We don't accept it just in sporting clubs, we accept it everywhere where we see it. It may be more acceptable because of the types of sports that we're playing, or the fact that it's always been traditionally a male sport, or it's always been seen as through that lens of being male dominated.
I think unfortunately it's something that a lot of people grow up with, and it's something which is in their minds normal and something that they don't really see as something that can be changed.
What we'd like to do is encourage more girls to take up coaching.
Having committee structures that have that gender equity at the top is always a good start. Certainly at my club we have 40% representation of women on our committee.
My tennis club actually just recently have some workshop for all the gender equal and in the workshop and invite all the surrounding area. That was actually a good start to make people aware of the gender equality.
I'd like to see clubs encouraging females, just like we are at Bay Morris, to participate in the sport no matter what level it is. Sport is social and you can meet new friends and it's something you do for life, and it shouldn't be something that's taken away from people. It should be something that's encouraged.